Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine. Maxine is talking about a little thing that she saw, where Miss E and a gentleman, we all know him on social media. He is from Africa, and he came to Jamaica, loving the place. He's been around Jamaica. He's been loved by all Jamaicans, people around. He's been greeting them, and he's just happy to be in Jamaica. Now, he was allegedly giving out some baskets, and the baskets that he was giving out, there was this lady allegedly that asked for a basket, and allegedly it said that he wanted that lady to be on camera when she received it, but she refused, and so she did not get a basket because of that, allegedly. So, guys, Maxine is she's dissecting, that video to see exactly what happened, and she's saying that there were some things that was said while the basket was being delivered to someone else, and so she's saying that, that shouldn't have been, but everybody has their opinion. So we'll catch the video and see what Maxine has to say on this. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. It's very important so that you know when I post. And guys, anyone who's celebrating a birthday today, have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful day. And I wish you nothing but the best, prosperity, love, peace, joy, and everything wonderful on this your day. And for all my other lovelies, remember, and as I always say, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day.
Green and yellow. She was a distance away from Donna. And she came down and she said, touch her for me, touch Donna for me, touch Donna for me. I want the pan video me they tell you no. Cause no found no hear nothing good. Touch Donna for me, touch Donna for me. And the girl in the white touched Donna. And Donna attention was drawn. After Donna turn around, Donna say him they give her the basket. Pointing to the African man. Right? He never said nothing at the time. When they realized who them a carry the basket go get. Listen to him when he was walking down, going down in the woman yard. He say nah, give nobody who able body and tira not the basket. You understand? He may already having plans already because he feel to himself say the woman disrespect him. So he ain't go give the woman no basket. But when they say and when they do, draw my attention. Draw my attention. It could have been easy. Give one basket and he do tour done. Me not have no basket and it tour done. But I want say, and I want they say, going down there, half time give the woman the basket, that is what? You understand? So why uno they come, how uno they defend Donna, how uno they chat this about the man, how uno they talk, what me they talk about and what me they show. You understand? Me don't know what uno see. Because at 10 we and 10 we can see something completely different. I have no time for you because you dey distract me class. You dey distract my Ras class and me no want cuss. You dey distract me class. And me no feel so well right now, so me no want you distract me class. Okay? It can't hurt me, you see? It can't hurt me, you see? I'm not what they got no make no sense. And nothing what they got don't make no fucking sense. No sense at all. But nobody now distract me from what me they do. Nobody now distract me. If I 5 somebody over here, I the 5 somebody me I talk to. So make me play the video and make you see what me I talk about. Some people just too enough. Any more ladies there here? Number one, right there, so he walked away because he heard what Donna had said and what the lady had said. You go and later learn, and at the end of it, he repeat exactly what the lady said. So right off, yes, so in feelings and in walk away and gone down there, so. You understand what me I said to no since you know want me break it down for you know. Right here, so in feelings, because here when Donna say any more ladies, and the lady come down and said the lady in the green and yellow come down and say, stop ball out, but if there's any more ladies, me turn up here, so me a man. So right off, the so in feelings, and he walk away. You understand? Me no care how much money you have, me no care what you have. But if you are into the humanitarian thing, these things doesn't happen. This not happen. This not happen. So no not tell me nothing. I don't know make me say nothing what me no want to say. You understand? No not make me say what me no want to say. Alright? So I walk away from this, so you know, because he ain't feelings. Right there, Donna knew there was more than one basket in the car. Okay? Right there, so Donna know say there is more than one basket in the car. You know get me drift and where I'm going? Watch the movie. It's a movie. It is a movie. Just watch the movie. Take one of the basket for me out of the van. Amy is the one who walk up to the van and take out one of the basket from the van. So right then and there, I know he's not blind, so we know there was more than one basket left in the van. And me the fast forward to one say, at the end of it, there is more than one basket in there, but in just no one give the woman none because the woman ain't want come on camera. So uno kuna twist it, uno kuna put it, uno kuna do what uno want do with it. Me no business, me they do what me they do. I'm doing my job, people, and I have to get paid. I'm a job me I do. Yes, I'm a job me I do. Carol, you know a video. Carol, second time tell me say for video. Me didn't know see me for video. Yes, everything I feel in a neon light. Carol, you know a video? Me think you in the video. Carol say you didn't tell me say for video. So no video, the boy gone in the van gone take out the back, the something, you know, say there's more than one in there. Okay? The lady in the green and yellow is right there asking him for the basket. And he said that basket might have in her hand, and go carry, go give the lady what can't walk. Right? And go carry, go give the lady what can't walk. The woman says more basket in her van. Everybody knows more basket in the van at this point. You understand? The people that really need that. That's all I'm trying More tell her why say while in the walk go down. He's bringing the basket for the person who cannot walk, people who really need help. So he's bringing the basket for them. Not able-bodied, not able-bodied people. Not able-bodied people. But he don't have the woman from up at the road. Because the woman tell him say no one on camera in her face. You don't want no camera in her face and he not take the basket pan the camera. He don't have up the woman already. So me not give one ras one no one to say. Pauline, listen to what me and say. Me not say nothing wrong with that. I feel the man basket and give what you want to give. No, disturb me class. Please do not disturb me class. Let me talk. Because, they're trying to explain something like, what are you guys trying to explain? What are you really trying to explain? Me I telling you, say, what they do right now? You ain't about the woman because the woman went this him up on top of the road. Because he walk way and come down, come chat when he want to chat. No understanding at all because they don't have. And all then they chat and they put up them big words, them and them big long paragraph. No put up no long paragraph in me sitting. Make me talk what me they talk. Because I want me see me they chat about. Because they pan one whole different class. I they interrupt me. And me very nosy, so me have to see what they write. So wait until me done, then no explain on yourself what they see. What they see. You understand? And his way going down with it. He saying I'll give it to no able-bodied people. He might give it to the people them who can walk. Kudos to that. You understand? What makes him snap for that over here they teach everybody to at the same time? Why? Boy, so no make her Rebecca fi jump out. Rebecca no jump out like that, Rebecca only jump out when it's necessary, What man couldn't make Rebecca fi come out now? Me they explain the little sitting to no good enough. He not good enough. Me I tell you what the man they say meanwhile my walk good on day. Cause he's talking to the lady in the green. The lady in the green and yellow want the basket. Still they ask him for the basket. Follow and go straight down at the woman yard for the basket. Cause she want one of the basket, but she just don't want no camera in her face. We all know there was more than one basket in there. Dana knows more than one way in there. Him knows more than one in there. So I the big old surprise and everything. Because me they go to the lesson, me they go to the end of the story before me even go to the first part of it, you know. So from this, so no draw what no want to draw. You understand? When he take out the sitting out of the van, the woman are the first somebody in Bokopina. The woman are the first somebody. I'm sorry. Yeah, she can't walk. That's the reason why I'm gonna give her the basket. This is for the people them who really need help.